When a view contains small features that are difficult to see as standard drawing view, a detail view can be used to zoom in and make things clear. To create a detail view, click on the detail view icon in the drawing toolbar, or find the detail view command in the drop-down menu under Insert, Drawing View, Detail. The command automatically activates the Circle Sketch tool. With the Sketch tool, draw a circle to identify the area that you wish to zoom into. Once the circle has been sketched, move the pointer to the area on the sheet where you wish to locate the view and click once. The detail view will appear with a label. The label and font can be customized here in the Property Manager. There are also options in this drop-down list that allow you to select different display options for the view. Notice that the view appeared with a custom scale of 2:1. This automatic scaling happens as a result of a setting found under System Options in the Drawing section. Here you see the default scale I'm using is 2x, or twice the overall sheet scale. Even after the detail view has been created, the area covered by the detail view can be changed at any time. To increase the area of the detail view, click on the circle used to create the view and drag the circumference of the circle. To move the circle, click and drag the center. As you do this, notice that the detail view will update immediately to show you the result.